I just wanna hear the way you used to talk.
Baby, are you ready?
I wish we didn't say anything. Everything happened so quickly. I'm not ready. We have to go, guys. Let's go. Come on, let's go check. Friends, today we're doing a van and bus swap for 24 hours. It's their first time staying full-time in a van.
And it's our first time in a very long time staying in a bus, and I couldn't be more excited. I have a feeling Marie and I are gonna need walkie-talkies just to communicate with one another in this behemoth of a land well.
So make sure to check out Tale of Two Smitties for their part in the van. Let's see how this goes. Have fun, guys.
You too.
I think it's only appropriate that we give you a tour of our new rig. Come on in. Welcome to Tots. This is a 2009 Bluebird bus. It's actually 36 feet long with 200 square feet of livable space. So there's a big difference between our van and this big bus. Let's show you around. Here in the front we have the kitchen area, which look at all this countertop space. We have a gas stove, which is so exciting. We have an oven that I miss, so I'm gonna be using the oven quite a bit. The sink is actually massive, so I'm gonna be able to pile a ton of dishes, which I'm not able to do that in the van because it's a smaller sink. The dogs already found their spot in the sofa area, which also converts into a bed. You might be wondering what this area over here is, and it's actually a pantry area. My pantry is this size. Look at this massive pantry. Oh my gosh. I should have brought more stuff.
You might not be able to hear me because I'm gonna be yelling from all the way back here in this massive school bus. But look at this monitor hanging on the wall. I thought we were spoiled with the workspace in the back of the van, but now Marie and I can both edit, or I can just, you know, watch our YouTube videos on this big screen monitor from back here. That said, the workspace is really functional, it's really cool, and they've got these chairs that come along with it. But follow me back here. This is truly where the magic happens, back here. Come on in. Oh.
Are you breaking stuff already?
Oh, it was hanging like that. Look at this bathroom. Just look at it. This is where I'm staying this whole time.
You can poop and I can shower.
Yeah.
Both at the same time. Welcome to the bedroom area. This bed reminds me so much of the bed in the bus. It's massive, first of all. You don't have to make it.
Yeah, it's honestly, there's almost as much space in this bed and the shower as there are in
the van.
In the entire van.
I know. And we also will have a wood stove there. It's gonna keep us warm during the night. Chase's favorite part about the whole bus thing. He will be chopping wood all night and like put it in there, but he hasn't done it in a while, so let's see if he changed his mind.
Tonight's the night.
I also noticed that Tale of Two Smitties left a little note for us. So
we didn't leave anything but a poop in the toilet.
So it says, Chase and Maria Jose, we hope you enjoy our stay in Tots. Feel free to poke around and use anything. Good luck, Laura and Cody. They're so freaking cute. You ready for breakfast?
Let's move in, yeah. I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready. First things first, let's use this oven and make some breakfast.
Oh, heck yeah.
I saw that we have to take everything out. Well,
we need a lighter.
Oh my gosh, where's a lighter?
Where's the lighter?
Baby, the lighter has to be here. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, they have so much storage. We couldn't find a lighter.
Oh, it's in the cabinet.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah. Okay. Underneath. Woo! They have it all the way underneath the wood stove. Or underneath the wood stove. Got it.
Would you look at that?
There you go.
Got it.
Yay! We got fire!
I have been on a biscuits and gravy kick recently, so Rosé was kind enough to stop on a our way here to Kate's Cove to get some biscuits and gravy. That's what we're gonna eat today.
So I need to peel these. Should I spray it? Do they have spray? Oh, in the pantry. This is
Olive oil.
That's fine.
That'll work.
So decided to make some biscuits and gravy this morning to invite our neighbors over for them to enjoy our cozy bus. You know, sometimes they probably wish to have an oven. Feel bad for them. That's why I'm inviting them.
I've got to poop.
Hit you?
Hit me like a brick.
You want some privacy?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Talk about a loo with a view. Where's the toilet paper?
These windows give me like the perfect view to people watch, which I love. And I can just see them like going through the drawers and like trying to figure out where everything is. It gives me joy. But it's pretty funny because I'm doing the same here. But I don't know. I thought it was gonna be easier for them. It's such a small space that I saw it like, oh, they're gonna find everything so quickly. I don't think so. Doo-doo.
Bitchin' sauce tastes so much better when it's not your own.
Our neighbors told us that we can grab anything. I found some bitchin' sauce and pretzels. Oh, sounds like we have visitors coming in. Welcome, neighbor.
Well, hey there.
Hi. Goodness, I can't wait. This looks so good.
Good. I'm so excited.
Yeah, me too.
It was so great to have you, friends.
Oh,
Thank you
for having us.
We'll
It
see
was a
you
great
later.
breakfast.
All right, we'll see ya.
Now that the kitchen is all clean, we can turn on our own Tots candle. I'm very excited.
Cody left me a project. I need to fix the diesel heater. All right, we're gonna get diesel fuel pretty much all over everything. Got this side in, this side as well. Well, I broke this little piece here. I have to dig it out. All right, got that out. That was successful. Are you sleeping while I'm outside working? Are you sleeping while I'm outside working? Those biscuits and gravy hit you hard, huh?
Good night. I told Chase I was gonna teach him how to do it. How do I do it?
you gotta press the side trigger in first. I don't know about you, Pablo, but I'm pretty thirsty. Hey, babe.
I think he's saying something.
Hey, babe.
What?
Must be out of range. Hey, babe, can you bring me a water?
Oh my god, are you being serious right now? I can't believe you make me walk all the way up here for you.
Baby, it's so far away.
Getting my steps in at least.
That's true.
Babe!
What?
Do you have the heater on up there?
Yeah, it's nice and toasty. Why?
It's kind of chilly back here. Could you toss me a hat?
What?
A hat!
Yeah, I got you.
Oh. Thank you, Bobo.
What?
Forget it. Baby.
What?
I don't know what to do with all this space.
There's just too much space.
We cannot be here. I feel comfortable in this little corner.
I'm spaceophobic.
It is getting a little late, so we decided to make some pizzas tonight. We have to, use this oven as much as we can. Let's get some ingredients together, throw some pizzas in there. You want some pizza? Jacob, do you want some pizza? Babe.
Yeah.
You know that we're in a big space. You don't have to do that, right?
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. I know you're cooking.
Mmm, delicious. Oh, that looks so good. It's my first time using their toilet. Feels a little weird to be back in a toilet where there is actually a pee tank. It is lower than ours. I'm gonna close here for some privacy reasons. So far so good, guys. A couple of different things I noticed in their toilet. Did you notice the thing in the... That's different.
I love their curtain designs. These snaps just make so much sense. That's us. But which one's there?
Thank you for having us in your van.
You are so welcome. We're glad you could make it.
Oh!
So now we're really gonna get the party started.
Oh my goodness.
You should hold
Cheers.
the line in
Cheers.
the hand you're licking.
That's good.
Oh my
Did you say
god!
Uno?
I'm so angry.
Oh my goodness, I'm so out of touch with this. I swear, I can start a freaking fire outside with a leaf and a wet twig, but you put this thing in a freaking cubic mini wood stove and I can't do anything with it anymore. I am so far removed from freaking Buslife wood stove that it's not even funny.
I guess you're a sissy now.
No, I just think Vanlife has spoiled me. I'm not a sissy, I don't know, I got used to easy.
3 hours later.
If you're wondering, it's 10:54 and Chase is still trying to get the wood stove going.
Look at that.
It's going.
It's going. I was spinning it the wrong way, but now look, it's going.
We cannot end the day without taking advantage of 82 gallons of fresh water, which means, first of all, big shower and more water than us. So I brought everything to take my first Buslife shower in probably 3 years? Here we have the setup. We got everything out of here, which includes their towels, dirty laundry, trash can. I think that's the only thing you take out. I don't know if they put like some type of curtain or just these. I don't know. So I guess let me take off my clothes and give it a try.
How's the shower, babe?
It's good. I don't know if I'm using it correctly though. It took a little bit to get warm. So my first little bit was ice cold, like if I was outside in an ice bath. But then after I was already wet, it started getting a little warmer. Oh, that feels so good. My shower was very nice. I really needed to shower. I don't know if I did things right because now I think the toilet paper is wet. And that thing is wet. I tried to move it, but then people can see me naked, which I totally open it. And like, if their window was open, they saw me naked.
Now it's my turn.
Have a good shower.
First thoughts.
Cold,
Cold.
cold. Hot.
It's hot now.
Oh, cold. Now cold again.
I told you.
Oh, but that feels nice. Wow. Step out of the shower, directly into the dry heat of wood burning.
I told you that felt amazing, huh?
Wow. Water pressure, amazing. Not totally sold on gas or propane water heaters, but I will say, and that shower is spa-like.
Good night, friends. We'll see you in the morning.
Good night again, amigos.
Bobo, what just happened?
I woke up and I felt the cold. The fire has gone out.
It's 4:30 in the morning,
Yep.
and you have to deal with the fire again.
Yep.
Oh, do.
Wow, it's 9:30. We overslept. It's hot with that wood stove back here. Chase loves that. I'm sweating. We have about 30 minutes to make this bed, get the bus going, and switch keys. I'm kind of sad. I had a great time. Good morning, neighbors.
Good morning.
Morning.
I heard bagels for breakfast over in your van.
Yeah, are you in?
I'm in. The 24 hours are done. Thank you. Van, sweet van. I need to use the bathroom. I've been holding it this whole time.